everyone. In this video I am going to share about how to add like button, share Facebook button in our custom Joomla component. We will learn how we can add the Facebook buttons and how we can add the Facebook share counts, like counts, and if we click on the share button it will share our web page in Facebook. We will learn about that in this video. So to work these functions we have to add a Facebook SDK link. From that link we can use the Facebook like and share. So I have searched and copied a link from Google. You can easily search Facebook SDK etc. like that. Search and copy the link as this facebook.net SDK like this. First you have to add this link to use Facebook like and share buttons. In this video I am just showing how to use it. In your case you should place the script tag in the correct position in Joomla. As for now I am just showing how to use it, so to be easy I will add in this page the script tag and the link. After you have copied the link, copy paste the link. Now the next step is we can add the text for Facebook like and share. So in the class, give the class as Facebook like, and in this data href we have to add the URL. What URL we want to share, we want to like on Facebook. So for the URL, if I run this page, now you can see like this. I added this line. I want to share this page, my current page, our project page to Facebook. So I want to add that our URL, our page URL. So to get the page URL to our current using web page, we can get the URL by give the name as base URL, and we can get as URI root. This will get the root URL of our web page, but it is not exact our URL. We have to import this URI as Joomla CMS URI. And we are working on, now we are working on contest. Now we are working on this component. So I have to add this component URL to share exact our web URL. So this is the base URL of the project, and our current URL should be base URL dot, and we are working on, here you can see index.php. This is the base URL. This is my Joomla 5 test. This is my folder, and our current URL is index.php. question mark option equal comtest. We are working on component comtest. If I am working on com media, I have to add option equal com media. If you want to check this is working or not, let's try to output it. Save this and run. Here you can see our URL. This is the same as this URL. After we have added this link and Facebook like, here you can see it is now showing the button. So now I am explaining that we are retrieving the URL of our current page. Now the URL is working correctly, so let's remove this line and add. So in this href we have to add our URL, current URL. And the next one is what we can add, data layout. There is two options for data layout. One is standard. Standard means like this, be the first of your friend. It show the count as text, not number. So if we want to show as number, we can write button count, and its action will be like action, and what we can add, data size. Well, let's give a small for now. This is for the like button, and for the share button, here we have to write Facebook share button, and same what link we want to share, our current URL. And the data layout will be the same as above, button count. Okay, now we have written the code for Facebook like and share button. Let's try to refresh our page. Here you can see like button and share button. If I reload it, it takes a little moment because it works on this link, so it takes 1 or 2 seconds to reload, you can see. And for this page there is no share and no like, so the count of share and like is 0. As I explained earlier, if I added the button count is standard instead of button count, here you can see it will show as the test, be the first of your friends to like that. If I change the button count, it will show the count. Now let's test to share this page. We added this page link in this Facebook share button. If I click on this link, here you can see the page it is available. at the movement. We are getting this because our web page is not uploaded to the server, and we are working on localhost, so it can't share this link, or there can be some other reasons. If we want to know it is working or not, we can test with other links. In the current URL, for example, let's run other website links. For example, https www.mindphp.com. Now what we are doing, we are adding this mindphp.com link in our Facebook like count and share count buttons. Let's try to run, refresh this. Now you can see there is 1.8k count share for this mindphp.com website, and there is also like for 1.8k. I have already liked this one I test before creating this video, so it is showing the like button. Otherwise it will show the thumb up icon. Let's try another website, for example YouTube. Let's run this. Now you can see there are 58 million shares, YouTube shares in Facebook. For the like also, I have not liked this post, so it is showing with the thumb icon. For the current URL of our web page, of our component, Joomla component, it is not working because we haven't uploaded in the server, I think so. Other websites are working well. So in this video I share about how to add the Facebook and Facebook like share button and links. For this, now we have created the YouTube, added the YouTube link. If I click on this share button, now it will share the youtube.com link to the Facebook. If I add mindphp.com, it will share mindphp.com web page in the Facebook. So because we added, we want to share this URL in Facebook. If I click on this, it will redirect to our Facebook profile. Because of my privacy and security, I will not go to our to share in my Facebook. You can test by adding these codes and click on this. It will redirect to your Facebook profile page, and there will be share options for this URL. So in this video I shared about how to add the Facebook like share button, how to add the link of SDK, and how we can retrieve the current URL of our Joomla component, and how we can add to the share button. So thank you very much for your attention.